Alright guys, so I now know that SeaWorld has seen our videos because they put a barrier where we are literally at. And yeah, we can't see Infinity Falls, this construction area, and I'm going to try to resolve that. Stay tuned and welcome to ThrillSource. Guys, so I had to stay low while recording Infinity Falls because I didn't want them to catch me while I was over there because I passed the wall. And I did that for you guys because I really want you guys to see what's happening in Infinity Falls. So let's keep going, and I hope you really enjoy Infinity Falls as its construction status at the moment. Surprise, surprise. It apparently looks like they're starting a pathway to Infinity Falls. So does that mean that they're going to be starting building more pathways? Find out next time when we're here. But here's more clips of Infinity Falls. Shabu Express. Hey! I don't know why I'm doing this, honestly. Here we go. That's a good air time right there. And here. Alright guys, so we got Frank from the brake run, and we got Mr. Midway, Mayhem.
What's up guys, how you doing? And of course, we're having a lot of fun. We just did Mako, and as you can see, we have a giant bag of candy. Look at all that candy.
Love the candy!
That's why you need to come to Halloween Spectacular, because literally you can walk away. I think I saw somebody with like 4 bags. Wow. So hopefully you're having fun and getting some good videos. Of course, we're going to check them out on your page a little bit later.
Alright. On behalf of ThrillSource and RollaCoasterReview, I would like to thank you for watching this video. I would like you to check out Midway Mayhem. Also, keep watching our videos. We got great quality content on our channel. And yeah, subscribe, comment, share, and like for more SeaWorld, Orlando content, and Florida content in general. More and more are coming because of the new additions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Tomorrow's a new person.